You are likely tired of spending a small fortune at the coffee shop to get a decent cappuccino, and might feel intimidated by complicated cafe equipment. You are definitely not alone. The great news is that you can bring that rich espresso and milk experience right into your kitchen without needing a barista degree. Today, I am walking you through 5 fantastic espresso machines designed to make frothing milk and pulling perfect shots incredibly easy. I selected these models based on their frothing systems, everyday convenience, and overall ease of use. Whether you prefer automated milk foam or hands-on steam control, there is a model tailored perfectly to your morning routine. Let us jump straight into the lineup to find your ideal daily coffee. Starting off, we have the Electactic Inoxidable Professional Espumador Automatico. This semi-automatic espresso machine solves the frustration of confusing button layouts found on older coffee makers. Its strongest benefit is the intuitive touchscreen interface. With just a simple tap, the 20-bar pressure pump extracts a rich crema, streamlining your morning coffee ritual. Picture waking up on a busy Tuesday. Instead of fiddling with complicated dials, you just tap the screen, froth your milk, and enjoy your latte. This fits perfectly for beginners who appreciate modern aesthetics and simple digital controls. It is not ideal, however, if you want a machine that does the milk texturing completely hands-free. Compared to bulkier traditional units, its compact build saves valuable counter space. One honest limitation is that the steam wand is manual, so achieving perfect microfoam takes a little practice. If you want a visually sleek, space-saving espresso maker with an effortless interface, the Electactic is a brilliant. Next is the M-Atenata CM1833L Automatica Cappuccino Autolimpiante. This high-performance semi-automatic espresso machine eliminates the annoying wait time between brewing coffee and frothing milk. The standout benefit is its impressive dual boiler system. With dedicated heaters for brewing and steaming, you get consistent temperatures without delay. Imagine hosting friends after dinner. You can craft multiple cappuccinos back-to-back using the automated milk frother without making anyone wait for the machine to reheat. This is an amazing fit for efficiency seekers who want premium internal hardware and hands-free milk dispensing. It is not the best option if you prefer a minimalist coffee station without a bulky milk tank. Unlike standard single-boiler models that force a pause between steps, the M-Atenata keeps your morning momentum going. One limitation is that, despite the self-cleaning feature, the removable milk tank still requires regular manual washing to stay perfectly hygienic. If you want fast, automated lattes backed by professional-grade dual heat. Moving on, we have the SHARDOR Professional Espumador Temperatura Adjustable. This semi-automatic espresso machine solves the common issue of bitter or sour coffee caused by inconsistent water heat. Its strongest feature is the precise digital temperature control, offering 3 distinct heat settings right on the front panel. Picture bringing home a new bag of specialty beans. You can easily adjust the temperature to extract the perfect flavor, then use the manual steam wand to practice your latte art. This makes it the ultimate fit for budding home baristas who love having total control over their extraction. However, it will not suit someone looking for a fully automated, one-touch drink maker. Compared to basic machines that only offer a single temperature setting, the SHARDOR lets you adapt beautifully to different roasts. One honest limitation is that utilizing these settings properly requires a basic understanding of coffee brewing principles. For those who want precise heat control and an authentic hands-on crafting experience, this machine is a superb choice. Next up is the Geek Chef Espumador Automatica Calentamiento. This semi-automatic espresso machine brilliantly solves the mess of dealing with loose coffee grounds on a rushed morning. Its greatest benefit is the dual brewing compatibility, featuring a specialized filter for convenient espresso pods alongside standard filters for regular ground coffee. Imagine waking up late. You simply drop in a pod for a zero-mess espresso shot, quickly steam some milk with the manual wand, and head out the door. This fits busy professionals who need speed on weekdays but prefer traditional brewing on weekends. It is not the best choice for strict coffee purists looking for an advanced, unpressurized setup. Unlike machines that lock you into expensive proprietary capsules, the Geek Chef gives you true freedom. One practical limitation is that the clearance under the spout is tight, making it tricky to fit tall travel mugs. If you value the flexibility of switching between quick pods and fresh grounds, this is a wonderfully practical. Finally, we have the Mr. Coffee Inoxidable Programmable Automatico. This 3-in-1 semi-automatic machine completely eliminates the guesswork of steaming milk yourself. The best feature is its fully automated milk frother and removable reservoir, which perfectly measures, froths, and dispenses foam directly into your cup with a single touch. Picture getting ready for your day. You lock in your coffee, press the latte button, and the machine builds a beautiful, layered drink while you finish packing your lunch. This is an absolute dream for beginners wanting guaranteed cafe results without learning barista techniques. Conversely, it is not meant for latte art enthusiasts who need a manual steam wand to control their microfoam texture. While manual wands force you to hold a pitcher at the exact right angle, this unit does all the heavy lifting. One honest limitation is that the exterior incorporates more plastic parts compared to fully heavy-duty steel models. For a foolproof, hands-free path to daily lattes, this machine is You no longer have to settle for boring mornings or expensive coffee shop lines. If you want modern digital simplicity, the Electactic is a great choice. For dual boiler speed and efficiency, grab the M-Atenata. The SHARDOR is perfect for those craving precise temperature control, while the Geek Chef offers incredible versatility with pod compatibility. Finally, if you just want foolproof lattes, the Mr. Coffee is your best bet. If you found this breakdown helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews. Enjoy your next amazing cup of coffee, and